Now when it gets done, it's going to look like this. You should, if it has any errors, they'll be in red. But as you can see, it said everything was successful. And so I'm going to move this over here. You don't have to do this step, it should be good, but I'm going to change my build Gradle so it will work with where upload automatically to Curse. Let me see, open with Notepad. Okay. And let me do it this way. File, snapshot. Yeah, I'm going to do it back the way I had it. Okay. This, I'm going to change this to, well, I haven't decided what I'm going to call it yet. What's the folder name? Map Banner. Map Banner. And okay, and now I'm also have it set up for Java 1.8. Just pause the video and you can copy this. This will be your own version and your own mod, but everything else. So you see Java 1.8 there. So I'm going to close that. Another thing I need is Gradle properties. You'll have to create a file and call it, well, you don't have to do this, only if you changed it like I did. If you left it original, you don't have to do this step. And if you're new, I would just skip this step right here that I'm doing. Just run the setup and you should be good to go. Okay. And then you're going to open this. We don't have one right now. You get this from Curse for your project, and then it'll upload it automatically. But again, if you're new, just skip this step right here. I'm forgetting anything else. I think that's it. Now we're going to open up IntelliJ. I'm going to move this over to my other monitor. Okay, this is my first, so let's close this project and do import project. Let's see, now it's going to be on D. Daniel Documents. Hold on. So it should be D, Daniel, Documents. Here it is. And you're going to open the IPR. No. No, yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do mark directory as source. And let's see. Okay. And we're going to change this to well, I'll show you. This is what we need here. And so factory name. Dang it. This is your, just use your email address backwards, unless you have a website, then use your website backwards. And then this is the name. And, here we go, it changed. You can delete this example folder now. And then, this, we want to refract this too. And, you're going to name it, see, let me open it back up and show you. This last part. So this is what you named the first part, and this last part here is this file. Okay. Now that's gonna match up with your build. Make this full screen. Okay, mod ID. Now banner version. Can't remember how to do it. Let me open. Hold on. Let me open up another. Where did it go till I open this up? Will not open up two windows. And I can open up two windows. Okay. Because I use a I can't think of what it's called, Jenkins, to build all my projects. I have a cloud, and it builds it. I set my version number to this, and we're gonna make a reference here. So I'm having to. Okay. Do new Java class, and you're gonna name it reference. Okay. We're gonna do public static final string mod id equals public static final string version equals, right, because that will be the version is, like I said, automatically done, so we'll come back to that. And this isn't final. Final means it's you can't change it, so we want to be able to change it when it reads what version it is from the file. Public static string name, yes, name equals let me see, I think that's the way we want it. And static client. You have to have proxies because there's two when you're on single player. There's two. There's a server running, and then there's your client running, and you have to differentiate between the two when you're coding. And so this is what this will do. We don't have a class right now, so I'm leaving it blank until we get it. Let me make sure I see all this stuff. Okay, that's all the stuff right now. Now we go to here, and I believe I can do it this way. Okay. We don't need that. This is reference. We moved all this to reference. Hold on, except for this. And that's still 0, 0. Sorry. Okay, and we want to add the name equals reference dot name. Did I do that right? Name. Okay, hold on. I must have done something wrong. Public. Okay. It should be final. Sorry about that. Okay. There it is. Okay. And then public center, not banner, and instant. And this is so we can refer to itself. And then above it you want add instance and reference dot mod ID. There we go. What's wrong with this? doing wrong? Hold on. This happened to me before. I forgot how I fixed it. I'm gonna stop it there for this episode. I'm gonna remember how I did this. I forgot this was a problem before. Yes. Wait. Mind. Hold on just a second. Maybe I can fix it real quick. Hold on, let me see if I can find this. Yep, here it is. Okay, it's an import. I'm new to the IntelliJ. We're gonna, well, there it is. Well done. Instance, there it is. Okay, it was just that. Okay, and we do want it public though. Okay, we're gonna add a couple. We're gonna add this copy the event handler here. Public void. We're gonna have a preint. And this is going to be FML pre-initial event. There it is. And, oh, I'm sorry, you have to put event here. That's the name of it. So now, okay. Let's see, make sure I'm getting all this stuff right. And then we're going to go ahead and do reference dot version. This is where you get your version number. Equals event dot get mod configuration. No, get mod metadata. And now that gets, I'll show you just a second here. Version. Okay, and then this is going to actually get it from this file, and let me remember how to set this up. Resources. Okay. Mod ID is mod name, description, adds a mark to placed. Version, we actually want to put in our own version number. 1. This is 0 is alpha or beta, and then if I change it to 1, that's version 1. So this is in alpha. This is how many times I've released a version. So like if I release this to the internet, it'd be a 1 or 2 or 3, but we haven't released it any, so it's a 0. This is the Minecraft version it's good for. It's 189, and then build, and then the Jenkins will put in the build number there. And then we want to do 1.8.9. We'll add that later. Put my names for the description. That's that. We close that. Okay, now we're going to stop the episode here, and we'll pick it up next time at this point. Thank you for watching.